Good morning, students. Now let us discuss the proving of given are irrational. Okay, now given numbers are irrational. Already we have discussed one. Now see here, 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. Already we know. Root 2 is a irrational number. Now let us prove 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. To prove this 1 by root 2 is a irrational number, we are taking contradiction method. Okay, already we have seen. So, contradiction method, let us assume 1 by root 2 is a rational number. I am taking 1 by root 2 is a rational number. So, if it is a rational number, so this can be expressed in the form of p by q. So 1 by root 2 equal to p by q, where p comma are integers. So if you transpose, if you cross multiply, you can get q by p equal to root 2 by 1. That is, q by p equal to root 2 by 1 is root 2. That means here q and p. So this we can write root 2 equal to q and p. So here q comma p, q by p is a rational number. That means what is q by p? Root 2. Root 2 is a rational number, but it is wrong. What is root 2? Root 2 is a irrational number. So our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? 1 by root 2 is a rational number is wrong. What is that? 1 by root 2 is irrational. Okay now. So with this type of problems we are proving using contradiction method. Okay now. By taking like this, here we got root 2 is a rational number, but root 2 is irrational number. It is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? 1 by root 2 is a rational number. It is wrong. That means it is not rational. So it is a irrational. Okay. Now let us see another problem. Root 3 plus root 5. Okay. Same method. We have to show that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. So I am assuming root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. So it is a rational number. That means, tell me, it can be expressed in the form of p by q. So root 3 plus root 5 equal to p by q. By some simplification of steps, we prove that this our assumption is wrong. For that, I am taking transpose this root 5 right side or root 3 right side. Root 5 equal to p by q, transpose there is root 3 right side, that plus becomes minus. Now squaring on both sides. So that is root 5 whole square equal to p by q minus root 3 whole square. Okay, are you getting? So this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Here root and square get cancelled. 5 equal a minus b whole square, a square, p by q whole square minus 2ab, 2 into p by q into root 3 plus b square, root 3 whole square, square root cancel. Now let us simplify. Simplifying means here this is a rational number, it is a rational number, it is irrational, it is rational. So transpose the irrational number right side. Transpose this term to left side, minus transpose left side, that becomes plus 2p by q q root 3 equal to p square by q square plus 3. This plus 5 becomes minus 5. Okay, so that means p square by q square, 3 minus 5 minus 2. So take the LCM, p square minus 2q square by q square. Now transpose this 2p by q right side. That is root 3 equal to p square minus 2q square by q square into 2p by q transpose right side. Numerator and denominator will be interchanged. That is q by 2p. 1q cancel here. P square minus 2q square by 2pq. See, what are the right side? Here p comma q are integers. So it is a rational number. This is rational number. That means root 3 is rational. But it is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. So root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Okay. Here we got this is a rational number. That means root 3 is a rational number. Root 3 is a rational? No. Wrong. This is wrong. So this is wrong. Why? How we got this root 3 is a rational number we got, but it is wrong. This wrong statement we got by assuming root 3 plus root 5 is rational. So root 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. Okay? I hope you can do this type of problems from the exercise. I will show. Pause it.
Sai, Sidhu.